Alrighty. After a quick camera switch here, climb over here, try to find all the little pieces that hold this together. La-ti-da. Looks like someone has had this off recently. I know there's some on the bottom, but I don't think they're still engaged. There is one right there, and I don't know how to get to him. I have to beat a bit up, I guess. Huh. I wonder if this old girl works. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Alrighty. Alright. Well, I got the door open. Maybe we can find out what was causing the argument. Come on. Stinking piece of plastic. Wow. Let's see. Alright. Douse her down with some penetrating lubricants. That thing here still does not work. So, I would say, yeah, well, outside latch is a no good. This thing here disintegrated while I was rolling down the window too. That was good. Always the penetrating lubricants. You can put some grease on that. Let's get her all. You can't use too much of it. Well, look at her. The more the better. Makes good beard oil too. Whew. Look at her sing. One, one. Look at that. Run races with that old girl. Now, on this latch and attach over here. How do you do? Man, I know. As soon as I pull that thing off there, it's gonna fly into a million parts. Looks like the hinge part of it on the inside is froze up pretty good. Man, little gouging the gougers there. Should have saved that stuff for the next yard sale. Need to get this real cleaned out here pretty soon too. Put it back on. That way I don't get any visitors. Oh gosh. That is a good one there. It'll keep mice out there. rubber hoses I ain't throwing away just yet. There. Well, let's see what this does. Yes, I just did that. I was gonna say that was way too easy. I don't know what that is, but here we are. Nice. Plastic clip, which could be used later on in life. I don't know. Hold up there, Pooh Bear. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Alright, there's stuff in the way here. Easy. Easy. Alright, you got her now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Door. Go up the steps. What? No idea what you're talking to me about, boy. I swear to you, that latch literally just rusted closed. Can't hit on it anywhere. Yeah, that was my knuckle. Look, I'm a crab. They got the door fixed. It was literally just rusted together. I noticed that the door wasn't closing very good. And I realized why. The top bolt on the door hinge is stripped out. I tried tightening it down and it come right back out, so it's a good indication that it's stripped out. So what I'm going to do here real quick, because there's other things I've got to get to doing. You know, living this big fancy life, building these vehicles and everything. I still got to hurry up and go in the house and have dinner ready when the wife gets home, you hear me? It could turn out very bad. Very bad. So, in light of that, I'm going to pull this little stupid speaker out right here. They need to outlaw flat head screws. They were cool back in the 1800s. You won't catch me using anything but a star head on anything anymore. Advancements in technology. Huh. I'm dang. Yeah. First bolt I picked up was perfect size. That's completely in the wrong direction. Alright. So, let's throw this back in here. Funny, huh? There's a wing in there, a bolt strip like this, and attaches to both of them for the upper and lower. And I think it's just kind of stripped out on the top. So I'll run it clear through that and then put a nut on the end of it so it can't pull back through. I guess that would make sense, I don't know. Let's get this ran in here, I guess. Sucker! Oh, my lance is wearing me flap out. Should be tight enough. That's great. Complaining about this. I'm gonna turn right around, put them same flathead screws. No, I'm not. I'm not doing it. I'm gonna walk in here and get some screws. What is it, 4? Yeah. I'll be back. I think I'm gonna go a little bit above and beyond. Yep, the door can keep that one and fall out going down the road, I'm sure. Flatten the tire here or there. That happens. Well, you don't need 4 of these in there. Let's see what the catch is. You know what? I got something for that, guys. Liberally. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that, guys. It'll be like a showroom ready. Alright. Put this jewel back together. I didn't get to watch me put it back together since I turned off the camera while I was taking off here, because I figured run into all kinds of trouble. Flip on your little door handle. This I've done. I had a 86 I drove for several years. I had that 306 in it. Wish I still had that truck. But I don't. Yeah, everything on it was exactly the same as this beater here. Clip there? There's a clip there. Alright, well, why don't we just do this the easy way? Pull this out, put it in the door, or in the plastic, and then shove it in the door. I'm genius! Everything looks good to me. Looks good to me. I don't get impressed very often. Here we are. Whew. This keeps getting better and better, little buddy. This aftermarket piece here that they stuffed up here. That was almost like I knew what was going on. Maybe. Hey, thanks for sticking around watching another episode on Rescue Shop channel here. We thank you and we appreciate it. Keep up the support. Things are going good. The first few videos, I don't know, maybe first 6, 7, I'd have to go back and look. I kind of messed up when I was putting them on there. I misunderstood how you upload videos, and I thought it was asking if it was safe for kids to watch, and I was hitting yes. What that meant, you couldn't leave comments. So we've actually fixed that problem. So going forward, you should be able to comment on all the videos, but keep liking, watching, subscribing, and sharing. We really appreciate it. We thank you and God bless.